Electrostatic protection is the key to avoid quality problems of our circuit boards. The plug-in process is most likely to touch electronic components. So our workers have to wear electrostatic bracelets when they work. Prevent the static electricity of human body from affecting the quality of electronic components. After plug-in, we will have a special quality personnel to check the previous process. Then it goes into our wave wind welding equipment. Wave wind after welding. Each process of the product for cutting feet. Visual inspection, repair welding. Next comes our ICD inspection process. This process is mainly to detect PCB circuit, open circuit, short circuit and welding of all parts, and determine which component the fault is, or where the open road is located to determine exactly. Finally, our FCT inspection process. FCT test is the low voltage power on test for the function of our products. Its main detection is reflected in including our voltage, current power, speed and other items of test, to ensure that our products are 100% qualified before assembly. And finally through our circuit board assembly, and the long aging of our products, our high quality controller is done.